Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok story in simple steps. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button. So after that, in my situation, first of all I will post a story by clicking on the blue plus icon next to my profile photo, then choose for example this photo and then click on your story button. So after that you need to wait a little bit, and then if you want to delete this story you need to open this story again, and then at the bottom right you will see three dots button, then click on that one button. Actually, if you don't see this button, all you need to do is to swipe down like this, and then at the top left corner click on the trash icon right up here, and then you will see two different options: delete and re-edit if you want to edit this story and post it again, and delete button. So click on the second one option, delete. After that, as you can see, your story is deleted. And that's all, and that's how to delete your TikTok story in simple steps. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.